Swadika, hi everyone, how are you today? It's Guna here. Great to see you here. I hope you are well. Thanks very much for joining me everyone. Today we are going to see Rothesay Castle. We are in Rothesay city just now. In front of Rothesay harbor, you see the sea, the blue sea there. And the Rothesay Castle right in front of us with the like a circular, it's circular here, right here. Rothesay Castle was built early 12th century by Alan Walter Stewart. The first castle was wooden. They also had a wall outside and wooden wall too. The wooden castle had been replaced to a stone castle in 1230. In 1230, also King Haakon of Norway had also attacked and sieged the castle. He using an axe to chip down the stone wall. It took him 3 days with his people to get in the castle, but later on castle took it back. The castle had been to war, seen many wars in the past, including a war of independence between Scottish and English, rough ruling war, and other wars too. And also the English was seized the castle, but the King of Scots, Robert the Bruce, took it back and seized it and took it back again. The castle also became a royal resident who loved staying here. King Robert II, King Robert III, King James VI like to stay here too. Both of those kings who also developed the castle, done a lot for the castle. In 1544, the castle took over by Earl Lanark, and also that to do with love ruling war. Also Oliver Cornwall, who invaded the castle in 1650 to use castle as a fleet at the base, but later on he moved out. The castle being abandoned last July about 1660, and also in around 1816 to 90, the castle had been repaired by second Marquis, the third Marquis of Bute, who also repaired do restoration. Later on, the castle went to state of care in 1961. And now it's scheduled to monument for everyone like us to see. Thanks very much for listening, everyone. Really appreciate it. And now, when we finish from here, we could go to fly around the city and coming back. Hope you guys enjoy the view. ก็ขอบพระคุณเพื่อนๆทุกท่านที่เข้ามารับชมมาดูวิวสวยๆกันค่ะ